Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you the unboxing and first look of a new Twosun knives that I got. Let's see, the model number is TS419-D2. I was still 2024. Twosun does not mark their boxes, so I had to do it by myself. Okay, so let's see what we have in the box here. So basically this is a new Micarta offering from them, and as you can see, I left it as it came. The knife is once again drenched completely in oil. Let me try to not do a mess here. So I obviously had to take it down, take it out and do my measurements, and I would like to preserve the state of the oil, so a little bit is wiped down because of that, but still, as you can see, lots of oil still all over the place. So let me just take it cleaned out a little bit and I will be right back. Okay, so here is the knife, a little bit cleaned out with isopropylene alcohol. So yes, we have a new type of micarta. I would say this is something they call it the red micarta, but it's definitely a little bit darker shade of brown. And we have some really nice neutral design, designed by Rihe design, and this is the TS419-D2-Vanguard. I don't know why they are calling it Vanguard. Probably maybe it is the name, but then it is nowhere on the blade, so yeah, who knows. So let me use the specification. So we have an over length of 20.3 centimeters or 8 inches. So this is a fairly nice full-size EDC in my opinion. I usually prefer my knives at around 8 inches and more. The blade is 8.7 centimeters or 3.4 inches. The blade width is 3.1 centimeters or 1.2 inches. The blade thickness is 3.8 millimeters or 0.15 inches. And for some reason I forgot to measure the handle, so yeah, this can happen, so let's do it together. So we have 4.6 inches or 11.7 centimeters, and the thickness without the pocket clip is 1.5 centimeters or 0.6 inches. Okay, so now let's continue. On the blade we have by now probably the most used blade steel by Twosun, that is D2, with a drop point satin finish, a really wide belly here. You can see a little bit of machining marks right there. The pivot assembly, it rides on caged ball bearing washers, nice and smooth. Opening is via this flipper tab here, which has a little bit of jimping on the top, and you can also, or you cannot, no you cannot, slow roll it. Maybe other side. Yeah, it has to do probably something with the D10 ball. Yeah, it's really really tough on the finger. I cannot open it, so the best opening method is still the flipper. On the handles we have TC4 titanium alloy, nicely milled with micro milling texture, and they call it the red micarta, Canvas Micarta inlays. We have a decorative pivot screw with the Twosun logo, made in Yangliang, China, of course, and the same on the other side. Really nice, big hardware screws. This looks to be same body and the pivot. A decent linear hole right there, partial backspacer. Let's see the milling. This is interesting. For some reason we do not have any kind of internal milling right there. Okay, maybe they had to leave space for the inlay, and therefore they done no weight relief inside the scales. So the pocket clip is 3D milled, of course, made also of TC4 titanium. We have medium to strong stiffness. Let's see the sharpness out of the box. Yeah, it is definitely decently sharp, but of course you can put it to your favorite strap or ceramic rods to keep it even sharper. Still place to improvement. We have really nice delicate tip, so be careful with that. Okay, so now let's continue. For the weight, we have a 145 grams, so 145 grams or 5.1 ounces. So without the milling, they definitely did go about the 5 ounce weight. Price wise, we are looking at around $89.99. This is the price that I found on White Mountain Knives. They are the dealer, also the distributor of Twosun knives in the United States. But you can also check out eBay or AliExpress. As far as variants go, you have two variants to choose from. This is the standard variant, and then you have a carbon fiber variant with the new YJ1-V1 steel, but that will cost you $122. Now let's see the pocket profile. So it will go inside the pocket without any problems, and this is how much it will be sticking out. I will definitely would like to see the the cutout for also left-handed users. For some reason they are still do not do that, and yeah, and maybe this way they could also use some kind of hidden hardware to not have this big shiny screw on the pocket clip, but then of course they had to put it maybe lower, and it will not ride as high as possible, but yeah, on a minor things there. The handle scales are really nicely contoured, and lots of milling was done here, as you can see, and micro milling looks really nice. So I see that a lot of nowadays a lot of companies, Chinese companies, are doing this, so they are stepping up their CNC game significantly. A little bit of fraying of the micarta, as you can see. Also interesting, since I forgot to mention that this is basically a frame lock design, but it could count also as liner lock, because we have the piece of a liner over the lock. But yeah, let's see if there is, I do not see that, if there is a steel insert. Looks like there is. Yeah, there is something there. So they have a steel insert on the interface. So yeah, they went with all the nice things that we can expect. And let's face it, for around $90, this is definitely a exceptionally well priced item. Twosun steel in 2024. Yes, of course they have some really expensive models. They are well over $200, but still They offer lots of decent models with good materials for less than 100, and I really appreciate that one, so that we can save up money and get some really nice, interesting new design with new designers that they are endorsing and collaborating with. Okay, so this was the Twosun Knives TS419-D2-VANGUARD, a Rihe design. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And yes, I forgot to show you the size comparisons. So sorry about that. So let's continue. So I brought out some previous models here on the table, and here is the 301 which I do show on some of my Twosun videos. In my opinion, still one of the best designs that they made, and did use one of the best micarta. And I'm happy to say that this new micarta here looks like to be even a better quality, or the same quality but different shade. So yeah, good one on that. And here is the 132, which has just the standard Chinese brown orangey looking canvas micarta on it. Now let's continue with some other knives. So here is the Ace Grand from Giant Mouse. Let's see the red Model 1. Spyderco Paramilitary 2. Paramilitary 3. Let's see the QSP Penguin and CVV Elementum, and also Benchmade Reptilian, the full size one. CJB Feldspar, Benchmade Bugout, and I have here also the Twosun 111 with the smooth burlap micarta that for some reason they used on a couple of knives, but yeah, this is not a good one. Okay, so let's do a couple of more. So here is the Kaiser Begleiter 2. It looks like almost the same size. Spyderco Endura, and also Delica, Rough Rider Peanut, and let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. So yes, overall for $90 you can even save up a little bit more money if you are willing to go on eBay and bid on an auction. Twosun has an outlet dealer there also, and sometimes these can be bought as low as around $69 to $70. So you definitely save a little bit money there, but then you have also a wait for the shipping to go from China. Okay, so with that being said, I would like once again thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you're not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.